So friend, have you noticed multiple spaces in your Word file? Whenever you copied some material from internet or other spaces and you just paste it on Word file, and you will find that there are multiple spaces in between the text. So instead of deleting one by one, I will tell you how to do in one click. Let's check it out. So you can see here there are multiple spaces, or we can say white spaces are present in the file. You can see here, here and here. So the whole file have these kind of spaces. So now deleting by one like this will take a lot of time. So instead of this, press Ctrl H and this mark by small w, and in replace with one single space and replace all. It's done. Now you can see in one click whole document white spaces are gone and it look very clean now.